Craving live TV but stuck deciding if YouTube TV is the right choice for you, especially when comparing its USA and German versions? Let's dive in. First up, channel lineups in the USA. You'll find a heavy emphasis on sports with ESPN, regional sports networks, and extensive news coverage from CNN, Fox News, and MSNBC. Over in Germany, the focus shifts to local broadcasting powerhouses like ARD, ZDF, and RTL, offering a mix of news, entertainment, and cultural programming. Keep in mind specific channels can vary depending on your region in both countries. Now, let's talk dollars, or should I say euros. YouTube TV in the USA typically has a set price, often fluctuating with special offers and add-ins like 4K plus. The German price, once converted to USD, might seem comparable at first glance, but remember to factor in VAT and any variations due to licensing agreements and bundle deals. Featurewise, both versions boast DVR recording, multiple user profiles for personalized viewing, and on-demand content. However, availability of features like 4000 streaming or offline downloads can differ depending on your location and subscription tier. Always double-check what's included in your specific area. User experience is also key. While the core interface is similar, you'll notice differences in language, content recommendations tailored to local tastes, and navigation adjustments to reflect the available channels and programming. Is it easy to find the sports you want in the US, or the local news in Germany? Ultimately, the best streaming service depends on your viewing preferences and location. If you crave American sports and news, YouTube TV USA is your winner for German content and local broadcasts. YouTube TV in Germany takes the crown. Do your research and choose wisely. Happy streaming!